Hey guys, welcome back to Lazy Wild Adventures. I'm Justin and I haven't forgot about y'all. I've just been doing some things. Alright, so just a quick little, hey, how you doing? Where I've been in Arkansas and I've been here with family. I haven't been doing any recording. I have been doing family stuff, and that's what's going on. But stay tuned, hit that bell, because I got a video coming this week. Yeah, this week. So that's where I've been, that's what's going on. I'm still here, I'm still making video. See you guys in a few days. Thanks for watching.